I noticed on my last pink and purple.
Pink, purple.
Yes, I'm wearing pink and purple.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Aw, thank you. Well, okay, so I guess there's an outage in my neighborhood, like an electric outage, so everything completely shut off. So we're just gonna head out to Savers and see what we can find and just hang out today for a little bit, out and about. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys again what I found at Savers. These are my favorite kind of videos because I always like watching, I personally really enjoy watching like fabric hauls and stuff. I understand we can't always do fabric hauls because, you know, shopping is a lot faster than creating, and creating does take time, so unfortunately, you know. But these are my favorite kind of videos, not just to make but to watch as well. I hope you guys enjoy what I found at Savers. I actually had to go ahead and repurchase another bag for 10 cents. I usually try to really use the heck out of these bags because you do have to pay 10 cents for them, but I really like how they don't give out any plastic bags. I like that idea. That's why I enjoy shopping. And I didn't even look at the sewing patterns, so I hope there's some good ones there next week and no one takes the nice ones. I completely forgot because I got really excited for the fabric that I'm about to show you. I got my daughter some cute little shoes that I'll wash, and she doesn't have any sandals or like summer shoes, you know, to match with the little dresses that I'll be making her. So I went in there and I found these cute glittery shoes that are totally up to date, and they have a little heel. I don't know what it is about little girls, but if there's like a couple centimeters on the heel of the shoe, it's just like, oh my gosh, they're wearing stilettos. Oh my goodness. And look at what I found. This, I don't know if you can see, it has the ribbed, see that? I've always been curious to see how this sews. And this was $4.99. Everything in my bag, everything that I'm showing you guys, everything was 30% off. So I bet it was $5. And this is a little bit over 1.5 yards, but I want to make her a dress, and I want to combine this one and this one together. Isn't this pretty? Look at how pretty and pink this is. This one is a little bit over 2 yards, so I got 1.5 yards of this one, and this one is a little bit over 2 yards. So I think I am going to make something so cute with this, and I want to make it for my daughter, and I think she'll actually really love it. So I got this one as well. The downfall of this one is that it's cut right in the middle, which is not fun. And this one is about 2 yards, and it is, this one doesn't have a tag, so I think I was charged $2.99 for this. So, but I guess it was $2.39. So this is it. And I want to combine this one with this one. See the difference? This one is only about 1.5 yards, but I really like it to combine with these two together and make the reversible dress. I think that would be cute. And that's it. So those are the patterns that I shot for at Savers, but I actually need help now to decide what to sew for my daughter next. These pieces I got so that I can make her things with. The first two I would like to keep them together, but I don't know. I kind of have like a lot of ideas racing through my head, and they need to slow the shiznits down. So I need your guys' help to help me out and help me figure out, you know, and choose or vote. If you guys want to vote for me and just comment down below to vote, I would really appreciate that. I separated these sewing patterns with what I think would look, what pattern would look good with the fabric choices. So that we have the first one, the red fabrics, the polka dot. And again, I would like to keep them together, and I think the Jiffy might actually be a perfect one for the red ones because it's reversible, and then I could do like this red or this red, you know, like it's just two different designs. Or I don't, would that be too much red? I don't know. Help me out, guys. And the next one that I think would look really, really cute and simple is this one. And this dress would look really cute with this, and I can always make the ruffle a different version red, and I think it'll just look really, really cute. The only problem is that it's an 8.5, so I'll probably have to make some alterations with it for her, because my daughter does have a very small frame, but that's okay. Like, I'm totally open to do that. So those are the two patterns that I think would go good with the kind of fabric this is, because it's kind of like broadcloth. I want to say it's kind of, you know, sturdy, and the only issue that I have with it is that I hope if I make this dress, I hope it's not so hot or uncomfortable, you know what I mean. And the other fabric that we have is the pink one. Look at how, oh, I am so excited for this one. At 7, my daughter has become really like experimental with her style, and she dresses really cute, you know. I don't know, I think that, you know, this is really, really cute together, and I even think that this might look cute as this dress, you know. I don't know. But look at this one, the Simplicity 1703. Yeah, so I think View C would look really, really cute. You know, View C, Simplicity 1703. If you got the next one that I think it would look good, really, really cute in, is the Simplicity 1119. And I would like either one of this. So there's View A, View B at the top right here, and View C. Oh, this one is just really, really cute. See? The next one, I don't know if this one would actually look cute in it, because I think that you have to have like the ruffle kind of fabric. But then there's this one, Simplicity 1478. How cute. And this one would actually look really, really cute. This one right here. See that? I don't know. I don't know, you guys. So for the pink fabric, these are the ones that I think would go really good with. I just can't make up my mind. So help me out, you guys, and tell me which one you think you would like. Comment down below for which one is cuter, which one it will go with. Let me know, you guys. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll be asking it on Instagram as well. And then I'll let you guys know in a couple days which one had the most votes. Okay, and again, just move. And again, just a recap. This is the red fabric, and these are the two that I chose that I think might go really, really cute with the red fabric. But yeah, help me out, you guys. What should I sew first for her? You know, I'm excited to make her these items because I know she'll love them. But yeah, help me out, you guys. Comment down below for which ones you guys think the pattern would go good with which fabric. So I made a maxi skirt, a really long one, through that fabric. So I made that skirt, but I don't like it. It's not that I don't like it, it's just I I'm never gonna wear it. I have to be honest with myself, and I realize that I'm never gonna wear that. I'm never gonna pair that with a bright yellow top and sandals and go frolicking through, you know, a flower garden. That's just not gonna be me. Went ahead and traced this pattern again. I do have a video on how I sewed this, but I'm thinking of updating that video as well because I ruined the shoulder seams. That was almost 2 or 3 years ago, and I didn't understand how to close up the shoulder seams at that time, but now I do. So let me know if I should update it. I don't know if I should or not, you know, but I'm working on this one for my daughter, so watch out for that video in a couple days and see her twirl in this new outfit, and help me figure this out, you guys. You know, vote in the comments down below. If you follow me on Instagram, let me know on Instagram. If you don't want to comment, you know, just let me know, guys. And with that, you guys, I will see you in a few days just to show what everyone voted for. And yeah, oh, and I am currently wearing my sunny dress, and I love this dress. I didn't like it too much last year because I was a bit heavier. When I first made this, I actually had to wear a faja to kind of bring and cinch in my waist a bit. But this dress really just makes me feel good now. Yeah. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, you guys. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys again so much for watching. We are nearing the end of April, so stay tuned for a few more videos before the end of April. Yeah. Thank you guys again. Have a wonderful day, week, month, and make it a beautiful year, you guys. Bye.